Nasa 18.6% ng mga kabataan po sa Pilipinas ang hindi nag-aaral sa ngayon.
Every child deserves a chance to learn, to grow, and to dream.
Education. Education is not just about learning how to read or write. It is about shaping minds, building character, and preparing us to face life's challenges. It is the foundation of progress in every society. Through education, we gain knowledge that empower us to make wise decisions and contribute meaningfully to our community. It opens doors to opportunities and helps break the cycle of poverty. However, not everyone has equal access to equality education. Many students are struggle with lack of resources for facilities or financial problems. That is why we must value and support education for ourselves and others. Education is truly the key to us better and better future. Let us all strive to learn, to grow, and to use our knowledge to make the world a better place. Because when one mind is educated, an entire nation moves forward.